May bago ng kagamitan ang Mactan Cebu International Airport. Ito'y para mabawasan ang carbon emission sa mga lalapag na eroplano. May detalye si Jessie Atienza.
Ito ang Bridge Mounted Equipment o BME, isang teknolohiya na unang inilunsad sa bansa ng mga opisyal ng Mactan Cebu International Airport at ng Aboitiz Infracapital. Ito na ang papalit sa mga truck na nagdadala ng mga generator set sa bawat eroplanong lalapag para mabigyan ng power supply. Paliwanag ng mga eksperto, pinapatay ang mga makina ng mga eroplano pagkatapos lumapag. Dito, kinakailangan ng power supply para mag-restock sa paglilinis ng mga upuan at maintenance ng eroplano. Pero sa tulong ng BME, direktang nabibigyan ng power supply at air conditioning ang isang eroplano mula mismo sa airport. Malaking tulong ito sa kalikasan dahil hindi na kakailanganin ng mga truck na may dalang generator set na gumagamit ng fuel.
You multiply how many planes come, how many boarding bridges we have, and you have all of these trucks with diesel generators running. So you're wasting fuel and you're emitting a carbon footprint. Okay. So now we have this bridge-mounted equipment that will provide the electrical source for the aircraft. So no longer are we going to use diesel generators. So we have a much lower carbon footprint.
Malaking ginhawa rin ang dala nito sa mga pasahero, lalo na sa mga turista.
It's like an AC, no? If you have your car, your engine is on if you want your AC and power, right? But here, since you're talking of an aircraft, so they turn off their engine, but they still have their AC and power inside. So that's how simple it is. So imagine how much fuel you are saving in terms of turning off an aircraft, right? And having an AC and also an electricity, which also gives a bit of comfort to our passengers. You know very well that our strategy here in Mactan Cebu International Airport is embracing the fact that we are a tourism destination. So it means to say that customer experience is our top priority.
At dahil hindi nagagamit ng mga generator set ang mga nakalapag na eroplano sa MCIA, inaasahan din ng mga opisyal na bababa ang gastos ng bawat airline company.
The cost of keeping the aircons on and the electrical system on will reduce substantially by at least 40%. No? So hopefully that will result in cheaper fares, or the fares may not increase as much. So we are telling the airlines to please pass on the savings to the consumers.
Bahagi lang ang BME project sa innovation at sustainability programs ng paliparan na naglalayong makatulong sa kalikasan.
We are being accredited as Customer Experience Level 1, Level 2, and now we are also an ACA accredited Level 1. So there's a lot of things that we can also kind of extend to the public that, our aviation industry in the Philippines, right, is really up to that level of best practices internationally. And I think we've proven that.
Kamakailan lang ay ginawaran ng MCIA ng 4-star rating ng Skytrax, isang UK-based consultancy firm na nagbibigay ng 1 to 5-star rating sa airlines at airports. Mula sa PTV Cebu, Jessie Atienza para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.